Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox Redmi Band. This is the cheapest band, guys. Actually, I got it around during the sale. It's for 1,000 rupees from Amazon.com. From Amazon.com, sorry. Okay. This is a color touch band, guys. Actually, this kind of direct competition. Yeah. So actually, I do use this Mi Band, Mi Fit. Okay, so this is Mi Fit, Mi Band 4. Okay, and this is a Mi Smartband. Yeah, guys, this is the Redmi Smartband. So this is the color screen, and also it has a USB direct charge, and it has like a heart rate monitor, and also like waterproof up to 50 mm. The price I mentioned is 2,099 rupees, but the price actually, if you can get in Amazon.in, it's around 1,500 rupees. Also, you can get it, and actually during the offer, I got it for 1,000 rupees, guys. It's very cheapest. Okay, yeah, let's see what's inside. It's not coming out, guys. Sorry about that. Nothing much, guys. Actually, there is no charger at all because it's direct connect. Okay, so here it is. Here is the band. Then you need to charge it to use it. Okay. Okay, here's the band. It's very big though, actually, when you compare with your normal Mi Band. But maybe after charge I'll see if it's because it's not switching on. I need to charge it first to use it. Also, I see it actually, it's not a Super AMOLED or anything. Actually, it's just a full touch color display, adjustable to screen brightness and dynamics. It has like so many watch modes and all. Okay, also like it provides a lot of outdoor running and all. Okay, yeah, let me charge first, then you can. You need to pull it out sometime. Actually, it's kind of very hard sometimes. Just need to pull it out. Okay, then connect this to charger. Then I connect this to USB port directly. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay. Yes, guys. Actually, what you need to do is, okay, this is kind of a little bit tricky. Okay, so take the band like this. Okay. And make sure, for example, I'm going to show it in the socket. So make sure the socket actually, this is the USB socket, right? Make sure you'll do in this way. I'm going to plug the socket first. I'm going to plug the socket first, okay? And I'm going to plug in this one. And I have to do this way, okay? So it has to go inside. Guys, okay. Yeah, now it's charging. So like this, just slide in. I got that from the charger. Actually, it charged for some time. So I just want to connect it to my band. Actually, its display is pretty smooth, guys. Okay. So I need to pair it to use it. Okay. Yeah, download this app. Swim my way. Friends, this is my Xiaomi Wear. Okay, so this is my Redmi Band. Actually, it shows a 16 and 24% battery, and I'm going to show the sleep cycles which I have. Actually, in this Xiaomi Wear, actually, so many good options. Actually, it's good. It's also showing the stand-up times. Actually, the time which I'm standing, so it's really good. Okay. And also, like, it can as you know, like, it can track your heart rate and also sleep cycles. Okay, it shows that deep sleep, light sleep, and all. Also, it has mentioned about a sleep and REM sleep as well, but not sure. I don't think that this band would calculate the REM sleep also. Okay, and the coming to the workouts, right? Actually, in the kilometers and yeah, this is the steps I've taken today. Okay, this is the steps I've taken yesterday. So this is getting tracked. Okay, you can do that workout if you're interested. Okay, and this is the band displays. Actually, locally I have 3 band displays. I can choose like whatever the band I want. Okay, just click on it. Click on download. Okay, so it will, after download, it will going to sync with that. Okay, that's all, friends. So thanks for watching this video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you would like to purchase from Amazon, you can go ahead and purchase. And please like this video and subscribe my channel, and share this video to others if they find it useful. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.